on the 2 ball. Ay.
Nakatira na si Emong.
Let's go, Emong. Cross-bank,
Cross-bank.
Yan. Well, ito medyo diretso, so it might not be addressable from the 3 ball. Para paghiwalayin. From this one, pwede. Para ma-address yan, pero baka tumigil dun sa banda eh.
Pepekto Santo.
Wala, talagang you can't address it now.
But they'll put some angle on this green 6, and this is the best possibility to create that separation on the black 8 and the 9 ball. There it is.
Okay.
Appreciated that shot. And from the looks of it,
the odds are in their favor talaga dito,
the
Jay.
odds are in their favor. And they are on the brink of calling it.
Ako, tatahimik na muna ako.
Pagkakapangin lang. Pag lumipis lang, issue yan. Pero saktong-sakto yung gapang.